What's going on, everyone? My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com, and today we are going to be doing a stock market technical analysis recap on the NASDAQ 100, which is the Triple Q's ETF. Now, if you guys are interested in learning how to day trade options, maybe you guys are interested in the way I trade, my strategies, my video courses, my watch list, and looking to trade with the community, make sure you guys sign up to become a gold member, a lifetime access, one-time fee. I'll never ask you guys for anything else. It's just to get you guys in, make sure I know you guys are serious. With that being said, looking at the Triple Q's ETF, today is the first day where we're starting to hit a little bit of a snag in the overall markets. Now, without the exception of Apple, which continues to act like it's defying all sorts of levles of gravity, continues to ride higher, but even towards the end of the day did get rejected off that 175 push. So I'll get into that on another video. But what I'm looking at here on the Triple Qs is yesterday's daily candle was a little bit of an indecision candle, as well as today a little bit of an indecision candle. One thing that I do want to make a note on is this is the first close below the previous day's low that we've had in quite some time. 1, 2, 3, 4 days was the last time we closed below the previous day's low. If you can look back before that, if you get into 5, 6 days ago, prior to that, we did have a 2-day pullback into the 10-day moving average. Now today we came almost close to testing that 10-day moving average, and that price was sitting at around $325.72. Now, even though today did slow down a little bit, even though we could be looking at maybe another 1 to 2 day pullback rest before we start that next upward move, we also have to be open to the possibility that we could be looking for a continued pullback and an even stronger downward move into more solid levels of support. If it was up to me and I could have it my way, I would love to come down and test 318, 315. I think that would be a lot more healthy for the overall stock market if the market was going to continue to push higher. However, you know, beggars can be choosers. We have to use the technicals and the price action that we are given. So what I am looking at here is I am not looking to take a long position and or a short position until one of two things happen. I am looking to go short on the Triple Qs below 324.50. Okay, that is the 150-day simple moving average. That would also be losing the 10-day moving average. I do want to make a note that today is the first day that we've closed below the shortest term sentiment, being the 5-day moving average. Typically, anytime you guys are trading over the 5-day moving average on any particular stock or ETF, it is bullish. That is going to let you know who has control of the next day's price action. Now, whether we close above or under is another thing to be to look at. But what I do want to kind of point out here is the first day in almost 6 days that we are below the 5-day moving average. The last time that we were below the 5-day moving average is going back to this candlestick here, where we closed at a price of 320 and touched lows of around 315 on the following day. So being that this is the first close under the 5-day moving average, if we do start to give up today's lows, I could see a potential back test into the 324.65 area, and anything below 324.50 is a potential short position on the Triple Q's ETF. I would be looking for a washout into that 318, 319 zone. Now, mind you, it does not have to get there all in one day. This could take multiple days to get there. But what I do want to kind of point out is if we do start to close below that $324 area, you can look to some of your favorite stocks in the NASDAQ 100, kind of take a look at their daily charts and see exactly where they are closing, and if they have some room to go down, maybe potentially we can take an opportunity at a short. I'll just pull up a random stock that's on my watch list that I know is in the NASDAQ 100. Let's look at something like Nvidia. So let's say, for example, the Triple Qs do lose that $324 area. What do you think, by looking at this chart here, looking at the last week worth of price action, what would be interesting to me to want to get in on a short position? The interesting area that I would like to take on a stock like Nvidia, if the Triple Qs lose the 324, is below the 20-day moving average, and that price right now currently is sitting at $180.25. This would be my short position here. As soon as we start to lose this area, I would look to add put options contracts, looking to play this to the downside. I want to stay as close to the money or in the money as possible. I don't want to, see $180 break, and I don't want to be buying, options contracts for, 160, right? That doesn't make any sense. Not to me. That's not the way that I trade. I like to be right at the money, the closest stock price, the closest strike price to the current stock price that I can get is where I want to buy my options contracts. Anything below 180.25, I will look to take a short on something like Nvidia, and I'm looking to cover my position at the $178, $177.50 area. I hope that video helps. I hope you guys have got a good understanding, and if you guys want to learn more about how to do this on a day in and day out basis, make sure you guys join the Discord, as well as sign up for that evolutiontraders.com gold package, and I'll see you guys all on the inside. Look forward to working with each and every single one of you with my knowledge and your discipline and the belief. I know that you guys can be profitable and consistent traders. It just takes a little bit of knowledge and a little bit of work and a little bit of discipline, but I know that we can get you guys all there. I'll see you guys all in the next one, and have a fantastic day.